Welcome everyone to another episode of Voice of Jammi. Today let's talk about digestion, right? So digestion is a very important facet of our body and its activities. And why has it taken center stage lately? So let me explain that to you in a very concise manner. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, said that 90% of all diseases originate in the gut. Now, that's another thing that I want to talk about very clearly. The gut is not your stomach. Right? The gut is the lower version of your digestive system, the large and the small intestines. And the importance of gut cannot be emphasized because there are so many activities that the gut controls, and that's because of the presence of certain bacteria in the gut. And the sum total of all of these bacterial organisms in the gut is now called the microbiome. In fact, there is an entire branch of science dedicated to study of these microorganisms in the gut. And this field is called microbiomics. As a matter of fact, what microbiomics focuses on is the effect these bacterial organisms and these also known as commensals have on the overall health of the human body. And this is not just about diseases per se, but also about immunity, right? So the gut microbiome has a very inexorable effect on human immunity. And how it does that, what exactly is happening over there when it comes to communication between the gut and the brain and the immunity system. All of this is a subject of ongoing research, and there's tons and tons of papers out there that we need to consider carefully before we come up to a conclusion. In fact, one of our ancient acharyas, Acharya Madhva, very specifically said that you have to eat cooked food and you have to eat food that spoils, but you have to eat food before it gets spoiled. Now you see the difference here, you see the importance of these things here. Make sure you cook your food, make sure you eat food without any preservatives, that's what he means. And he says, eat food before it spoils. So you have to eat it at the right time, so it's still got to be hot when you're eating your food. So fresh food is a very important aspect of human health. Please remember that. As a matter of fact, digestion plays a very important role in various aspects of the human health. It plays a role in cardiac health, it plays a role in kidney health, it plays a role in liver health, it plays a role in your immunity, and more about immunity in a different video. I will cover about it a little bit more in detail in a different video, so stay tuned for that in a different section. Thank you.